Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up on the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zello app. And here, if you open it up for the first time, this is what you're going to see. And here you can just tap on sign up. Here you can enter your email address, then tap on next, and then you just fill out these details. Here you can add your username, and then your password, and then just tap on create account, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.